as being a head coach, I have to be honest. It's been like that's been the most pleasing side. The way I look back at like Montenegro, it was like a monsoon. Like I nearly died that day. But they were there. I can only imagine what they went through. And then Iceland, Turkey, even in Kazakhstan, the amount of support we take. I always thought it was there. I never quite seen it because Blakey, you were playing with me. Maybe we weren't that worth watching. No, it was where I believe now it's just gone. And what the emails we have of like how appreciative of a nations are of our fans and the way they behave. Also how the players, they respect the players as well. It's been a credit to the previous managers that's been able to build this. I think qualifying in 2016's gained that momentum and we've not let it go. We used to be envious of other countries having that. I feel we have that. And every time, even at home, but when you're away, I feel part of a big football nation. And I always thought we were that. And tomorrow night, you get that feeling again. It's wrong. We're a big football nation. You see it. We just got to give them that tournament to get to.